Check out this Teamson home floor cabinet. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is a fantastic little corner cabinet that we have in our bathroom, and as you can see, it opens up and has a few levels inside as well. And it is a corner cabinet, so it's essentially just a corner and then it juts out so that you can open this door along the side there. And it's a really fantastic piece of furniture. It's so, it's very sturdy. It's not gonna fall apart if you put it together a certain way. And again, if we look inside, we can see that there are some glass shelves along there too. And it really just houses quite a bit. There's so many things we can put inside, like towels, or face washes, or face towels and things like that. We can put some tissues in there as well, and it's really just an amazing style piece of furniture. And it's I really hope you enjoyed this review, and I highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can. So I'll see you next time.